Hello everyone, you're welcome to prevent a solution given this nice math problem which is 2 to power x. This is equal to x to power that 2. So what is the value of x? Now solution from here, we have 2 to power x. This is equal to x to power 32. So the first step here, let's put the variable x on one side and the constant terms on the other side. So by doing that, let's multiply both sides by 1 over x as follows. So that now x and x simplifies here. So we have 2 is equal to x to power 32 multiplied by 1 over x. Now applying the exponent property, that 8 to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as 8 to power m raised to power n. So let's apply this property so that now here we have 2. This is equal to x to power 1 over x. This raised to power 32. The next step here, let's multiply both sides by 1 over 32. 1 over 32. So 32 and 32 here simplifies. So that now you can express this as x to power 1 over x. This is equal to 2 to power 1 over 32. So in this case, we can express 1 over 32 as 2 over 64. So by doing so, we'll have x to power 1 over x. This is equal to 2 to power 2 over 64. Now, again here, if you have 8 to power n multiplied by m, this can be expressed as 8 to power n multiplied by m. So in this case, we have x to power 1 over x. This is equal to 2 to power 2 raised to power 1 over 64. Now, here we have 2 squared, which is 4 raised to power 1 over 64. Now, we can express 1 over 64 as 2 over 128. We have to ensure that the base here, which is x, is the same as the exponent x. So here we'll have x to power 1 over x. This is equal to 4 to power 2 over 128. So again here, applying the property that 8 to power n multiplied by m, this can be expressed as 8 to power n raised to power m. So applying this exponent property, then here we'll have x to power 1 over x. This is equal to 4 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 over 128. The next step here, we have x to power 1 over x. This is equal to 4 squared. 4 squared here, this is equal to 16. So you'll have 16 raised to power 1 over 128. So let's proceed from here. Now here we have x to power 1 over x. This is equal to 16 raised to power 1 over 128. Now 1 over 128, this can be expressed as 2 divided by 256. So let's substitute this so that here we'll have x to power 1 over x. This is equal to 16 raised to power 2 over 256. Again here, if you have a to power n multiplied by m, this can be expressed as a to power n raised to power m. So in this case, we'll have x to power 1 over x. This is equal to 16 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 over 256. So in this case, we have to ensure that the base is equal to the exponent here. So you have x to the power 1 over x. This is equal to 16 squared. This is equal to 256 raised to the power 1 over 256. So in this case, you can see the base here is the same as the exponent here. X is equal to this x. So in this case, x is equal to 256. And this is the solution. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.